Cannibal Chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Whenever one of your pieces captures another piece, your piece becomes that piece and is treated as having the moves of that piece. If you are using double-sided chess discs, simply flip the captured piece and replace it with your own. Whenever your king captures a piece, your king still turns into the captured piece and has the movement of that piece. But that piece is royal and remains the piece that your opponent must checkmate to win. It also has all the regular rules for moving into and out of check. Be sure to mark your king that you have turned into another piece so you can remember it is royal. When a king that has turned into a pawn reaches the far side of the board, it may promote to any piece, including a king. A piece that becomes a pawn on your second row retains its initial double-step move option. En passant is allowed on these pieces like normal. Castling is only allowed with the original rooks under normal castling conditions. The first player to checkmate their opponent's royal piece wins.